Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you are keeping well. I know that it's been a very long time since I posted on YouTube. Obviously, over on Instagram, I've been reasonably active over the last number of years, but I think, man, it's been years since I've posted on YouTube. But I'm kind of in a position now where I've got access to some other equipment, and I've got space that I can kind of use, and also right now it is winter in Auckland, New Zealand. So I was supposed to be shooting some stuff outside, it just didn't work, it was raining. So I thought, man, why not make some content inside? Felt a little bit inspired to create some YouTube. So this is kind of going to be a bit of a tester video, probably won't be super long, and it's just going to kind of be a quick look at a pair of sneakers that I recently received. Most of you probably know me as the New Balance guy, or you're probably on my channel because you're interested in New Balance. But one of the other brands that recently I've been picking up a lot more of is ASICS, and big fan of what ASICS is doing. Love the kind of mix between old and new, and so I've got a pair of ASICS Gel-NYC. So I've got that overhead cam going as well, so hopefully give you guys a little bit of a view. So these Gel-NYCs, this is my first pair of Gel-NYCs. I've got a number of other ASICS models, but this is my first pair of these. I got a size 9, which is my true to size, thinking that would be good, and they are good, but they are a little bit snug. So if you're grabbing a pair of these, I probably would advise going up half a size. I think 9.5 would have been kind of perfect. 9 fits well, but 9.5 probably would have been even better. So let's get these out of the box, take a little look at them, show you guys what they look like. So this colorway is the cream and oyster gray. Cream and oyster gray. I love the, what am I doing here? I love the simplicity of these. Really nice tones. We've got obviously the mesh toe box, as well as tongue, and then kind of mesh throughout. I love the little kind of cream off-white color, matches the laces, and then you got these kind of dark gray synthetic kind of overlays, and then over the top of that you got the suede overlay as well, and kind of a lighter gray. Just looks really nice. I love the layers and the texture that you get on them. Makes it really nice, like simple enough colorway to wear, but enough kind of detail to keep them interesting, which I think is cool. Again, a really comfortable model. You kind of have that really nice mix between, you know, like it's a running silhouette, so you get the comfort from the running kind of shoe, but lifestyle enough so that it's kind of simple enough to wear with a lot of things. I can kind of see myself wearing these with just a nice pair of blue jeans, kind of like a selvage denim, or just even some wide kind of black chinos. Like, again, it's a super versatile shoe. People who wear shorts, I don't get into shorts, I don't know what it is, but a pair of like white socks with some shorts in the summer, again, these will be a super clean pair to wear. I'm hoping that everything's in focus. Looking at this right now, it's not. Well, there it is, bang in focus, but I'll be using the overhead to kind of show you the details. So again, really nice shoe, some really nice little details there. I love the kind of different layers and different materials that are used with the mesh, the suede. I'm just a sucker for suede and mesh, to be honest, and then grey suede and mesh, like it's just kind of, that's me. And so again, super nice shoe. Let me know if you have picked up any of the Gel-NYCs in the comments. What colorways do you like? I know there's a bunch of great colorways in the shoe. I really like the Awake collab pair, and then there's some other kind of tonal pairs which are super nice as well. So yeah, looking forward to getting some wear in these. And again, I'll be posting some on-feet shots on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, again, in the description I'll chuck all the details for that. So please do come over and give me a follow, and maybe I'll do an alt feet video as well, who knows. But anyways guys, that is going to be it for the video. Hopefully be bringing you some more content soon with some other pairs that I've been grabbing, and some pairs that I've been loving. So yeah, that is it for me guys. Have a great week.